Hey guys, what's up? So today we're showing top best races, 5, 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first week is called Signal Reborn. And basically, this tweak, successor of the infamous Signal and Signal 2 tweak by Planet Being. So it maps out the cell towers that are in your local area. So yeah, basically what it does. It tells you where the local towers, your cell towers are in your area. This is called Be Gone, clear notification badge from the 3D touch menu. So it's iOS 13 up to 14.3. This tweak is called Calm. Redesign your lock screen with a new beautiful design and more features. So it's beautiful at first sight. This is called Immortal. Prevent expiration of signed iOS applications and bypass 3 free signed applications per device limit. You see it's working. Next is called Flip, and basically mini media player in lock screen. This is called Signal, allows you to fake a cellular connection on your Wi-Fi only iPad or iPod Touch. This is called Signal Plan for low signal. Turn airplane on when low cell signal is lower. This is alternative tweak for airplane. This is called airplane signal. Turn on airplane mode if you have a low signal strength. This is called Artsy, and it's supposed to be a music player with some color. Allows you to use your music's now playing album artwork to color the backgrounds of different now playing views. This is called Checkra1n Global. It's now open to anyone on iOS 12, 13, and 14, and enables hidden features, introduces new cell features, amplifies cell signal, amplifies data speeds, and more. This is called Futuristic Cam. This is an interactive animated sci-fi theme for Apple Camera app with installation of additional plugins. These features right here. Next tweak is called Blank Pass and allows you to blank password buttons on the lock screen. This is called Double Tap to Lock and lock device by double tapping on the home screen. Supports iOS 13 and 14. Next is called Good Wi-Fi from Julio Overney and better Wi-Fi preferences found with iOS 10 and 13. Removes RSSI limit, show no networks, and show MAC address. Next is called A Blaze, colorful animated music backgrounds. Next is called YouTubePlus, the most complete YouTube tweak. So, it's a lightweight tweak, a bunch of features, customize what you want to show, app, or download a video, or download video as audio or import locally to your device. Media downloader, media data finder. So you can download YouTube audio directly from this app, multiple import choices. So you can do a new ringtone, unlock more resolutions, so you can have higher resolutions, remove ads, play audio in the background, remove video ads, audio, choose resolution, customization. So it's a lot of cool features, guys. You get all the features for only $4.99, including TATS lifetime license limited time offer. So really, this is called Smart Tap ets. Turn on the screen by tapping it. This is called Valeris, brings weather and counter events right to your home screen. This is called ICT Miss Pro, I customize not you app. So include more than 200 plus features, powered with iOS up to iOS 13.7, A12, A13 devices. This is called Marina, and basically with this tweak, gives you a chance to choose how many icons you prefer to have on your dock. This is called Boardy, and basically allows you to seamlessly sync your clipboard with your PC. You can sync text between PC and the iPhone, copy an image from the iPhone to the PC. This is called Silent Maps 13, and basically if you listen to your favorite song while driving, you can be served by Siri. So this week's for you, makes your navigation less intrusive by having beeps instead of Siri telling you where to go. This week's called Safari Reader, enhanced size and readability of web pages in Safari app. This is called Etienne HTML. It was actually updated for support iOS 14. So it allows you to add widgets on your home screen and lock screen, supports iOS 9 and higher. This is called Lightroom Bypass. It bypassed Lightroom login. This is called Essential Utilities, a preference bundle with essential commands. So you have these commands right here. and sports jacks at iOS 11 and 14. This feature is called Moonlight Drive, OLED dark mode for Google Drive. This feature is called Dash App, change the lock screen camera to your favorite app. This feature is called Moonlight Dots, OLED dark mode for dots. This feature is called Social Composer, quick and efficient way to use your social skills. This feature is called Calm, redesign the lock screen with a new beautiful design and more features. This feature is called Bordy, and allows you to sync text between PC and the iPhone, copy an image from the iPhone to the PC. This is called Silent Maps 13. Remember locking your favorite song while driving. So basically, this would detect, you turn left and right, it'll beep instead of actually stopping your music. This is called Instagram Plus. It's an Instagram Plus alternative. So you have these features right here. And the last feature is called Marina. And compatible with iOS 8 to 14, gives you a chance to choose how many icons you prefer to have in your dock. Also add other options for site and behavior. So you guys, catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.